Have you ever felt so full of joy you could burst, or so heartbroken you couldn't find the words? The Bible has a place for that. It's not all history and rules. There's a whole section that feels more like a heart-to-heart conversation, a collection of songs and deep thoughts. These are the poetry and wisdom books: Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, and the Song of Songs. Think of Psalms as the prayer book of the Bible, filled with raw worship and honest cries to God. Proverbs is like a collection of timeless advice from a wise mentor, guiding us towards skillful living. These books give us permission to feel. They explore profound suffering in Job, the search for meaning in Ecclesiastes, and even passionate love in the Song of Songs. They reflect the entire spectrum of our human experience, because our faith isn't meant to be separate from our feelings. The writers poured their real lives onto the page, creating a mirror for our own journey with God. Now here's a crucial tip for anyone starting out. We don't read these books like a set of strict commands or ironclad promises. When Proverbs offers guidance, it's sharing a general principle for wise living, not a magical formula. When a psalmist calls God his rock, he's using a powerful metaphor for stability, not talking about literal geology. This is about shaping our hearts and minds with wisdom. And this kind of wisdom